everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into create email template from CRM entity form and how can we select already created template. So glad you see it, hit that like button and let's get started. Any new mail you write from a CRM entity form can be saved as a template. Select mail, select email in the CRM form timeline and check the save as template like this. The template will be available when sending an email from the CRM entity form, and on the page of email templates also you can see it. You can edit or delete these email templates. By checking this, it will automatically save test mail, test. Like that we can save it. So if you want to select already saved template, then at the top right, click on templates and click on introduction like this. Automatically it will come the data and save it and send it to your client. Within fraction of seconds you can do it. So we can also edit or delete email templates. For that, in the previous video, as we said, go to the email templates, select the template and click menu icon. Click the menu icon next to the template. Select the necessary option. If you need to edit or delete several mail templates at once, click the check boxes and then select the below option here. Like this. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. If you have any queries, comment below. So, thanks for watching.